All right, you guys, this is Uncle P. Got another hot video for you guys. This is for the students who attended class today. You remember that we made about 25 quick pips off of this live in class today. The core inflation rate came out for the US. And by the way, just to kind of clear up, today is August 10th, 2022. And of course, for the doubters and the haters, yes, it is a live account. Okay, so now let's move on. For the students, you remember I told you guys that, on the dip, we took our 25 pips. I told you to probably pull back up, which it did. Okay, and what I did was, remember, I've always taught you guys to close out when you're up in profit. Make sure to skim a little money off the top. And then if you have a runner, then you can let the runner run. Okay, and that's what I did here. I let the runner run. And as you can see, price is still moving. So this is a live account, live action. And we'll just round this off to 63 pips. But again, we had discussed this trade live in class. And many of you guys made some pretty good profits, just like we did on yesterday on the Euro AUD and on Euro NZD. And we talked about waiting until that late night hour or the late run. And also we talked about how I actually like playing news events and how I like to wait until after the news event has occurred, wait a while until they make their highs, wait until you see it slow down, and then if you see some good opportunities around the time frame, as we discussed on yesterday, the time frames that I like looking at off the 1 hour time frame, you can grab some pretty good pips. Okay, so all of this is really more rehearsal for the students who are in my simplistic group who attended class, but I'm just showing you guys who are not, so you can kind of see exactly what we're doing here. And this is what I call my Three Amigos trade, and you guys can clearly see it. And like I said, students who are in class today, you already made money on it. If you left a runner, you're still making money as well. So I'm proud of you guys. Thank you for coming to class. Let me show you another trade. Let's show you, and this is more for the Signals group. Okay, for the Signals members. Let me do that. Okay, so for the Signals members, this is, wait a minute, let me see which one I sent out to you guys. Give me a second. I think it was this, no, not this one, but you see I'm up 23 pips on this one as well. And that's NCAD, and I'll add it up at the end. This one, we're going to be taking our profits pretty quickly in a moment, because as you can see, it's almost at our TP. And sometimes, for the sake of argument, if the market begins to slow down, we want to go ahead and take our profits early. And so pretty much you can still see that's about 30 pipperoos there. So we're looking good on that one. Okay, and it's close to our take profit that we had set. So that's another 30 right there. And what else? ACAD. Let me take it to ACAD. All of these were right at that time frame that I taught in class yesterday. So all the students who are following along, attending class, paying attention and doing the right things, just keep on doing you, boo. All right, so let's do it. Go ahead and add this up. That's 45 pips on AUD CAD. That's another 30 pips on NZD Swiss. And we have another 23 pips on NZD CAD. So we have AUD CAD and NZD CAD, and then we have NZD Swiss, and then we had 63 pips on GU, GBP, USD. That gives us a grand total of 161 pips in a matter of hours, following the rules and the directions that we had discussed in class. So for those who are struggling, trying to do things on your own, you still want to be a lone ranger or a sister ranger or whatever, okay, keep struggling. But the wise thing to do is to come to class so you can learn some of these skills and find out how we actually really take a look at the market and do what we do and walk away. Okay, and just walk away cleanly with some very good profits. And you'll be able to attend the live class where you're in with other students. You'll be able to, we do our question and answer period where you can dialogue with each other. We chat in the chat group while we're actually having our Zoom classes, so you can talk to other traders and all those different things. If you're looking for that, then you need to join the Simplicity group by going to www.superezforex.com and just click on the registration button get this trading system, and the classes are free. I've been teaching these classes for years and have never charged an extra penny. I don't do one-on-one trainings and charge you for that, because the same thing I'm going to teach you in a one-on-one is the same thing that I'm going to be able to teach you live in class with the group. So I don't charge for that kind of stuff. Okay, just get the trading system, so when we're looking at trades together, you'll know exactly what we're looking at. Okay, and just so you know, this is a combination of the simplicity with, if you want to be in class, you have to have the simplicity system. Okay, all right, I'm gonna end this video. See you in the next one.